I begin to tell the story of how great love can be, the sweet love story that is older than the sea, the simple truth about the love she brings to me. Where do I start?
Attends, mon petit itsy bitsy teeny weeny tout petit bikini.
She gave a meaning to this empty world of mine. There'd never
Bikini rouge, je la petit pas. 1, 2, 3, savez-vous ce qui arrive à Tada?
and made the living fine. She fills my heart. She fills my heart with very special things, with angel songs, with wild imaginings. She fills my soul with so much love that anywhere I go, I'm never lonely with one who could be lonely. It's always there.
Je suis ton père.
Can love be measured by the hours in a day? I have no answers now, but this much I can say. I know I'll need her till the stars all burn away, and she'll be there. Stars all burn away, and she'll be
If you are what you say you are, a superstar, then have no fear. The camera's here and the microphones, and they wanna know. Yeah. Yeah. A fresh, cool young Lou, trying to cash his microphone check 212. Wanna believe my own hype, but it's too untrue. The world brought me to my knees, what have you brung you? Did you improve on the design, did you do something new? Where your name in on the guest list, who brung you? You, the more famous person, you come through. And the sexy lady next to you, you come too. And then the hitman, standing outside of heaven, waiting for God to come and get me. I'm too uncouth, unschooled to the rules, and too gumshoe. Too much of a newcomer and too uncool, like Shadow in the Veil. I battle with it well, though I need a holiday like Lady who sung Blue. Go back, whatever you did, you undo. Heavy as heaven, the devil on me 2 tons too. If you are what you say